if we've learned anything from Pluto, it's the geology can be very, very alien indeed.
The geology can be quite familiar and sometimes quite alien, and also very close to each other, so you can sort of move between one thing and another remarkably quickly, which is interesting.
Now, of course, we're always after your photos of the night sky, and 2016 promises to be a great year for looking up. Here
Around, and also if you look carefully, you can see a meteor, one of the Perseid meteors in there, and that's taken by Stephen Banks. And the river that you can see is the River Stour in Dorset, so picture taken in the UK there. And then finally, you've got to have a picture of this planet. You've got to have Saturn. Absolutely gorgeous there.
Well, the Stargazing audience flooded our website, and we've already, we're about 10% of our way to our target, so a good start. But we need more people to. We need a million in the next few hours before Tim here goes to bed, so that we can get the Lovell telescope pointed on our target. So
a million clicks on, a million assessments of
a million assessments.
How many pulsars do you think we should get? We get out of that?
We're hoping for a few. Okay. But we're hoping for some exciting ones. I think all pulsars are interesting. They add to our map of the galaxy. But right now, I want to see some unusual pulsars. That's really what's driving this project.
If we get something interesting, how detailed will our characterisation be using the Lovell?
That's right, yeah. And we will give credit. It's not all about Dara. We should say that.
Hang on, in what? Because I get denied the credit. I feel I'll have a lot to discuss with Jocelyn Bell Burnell about being denied credit for finding pulsars when this occurs.
They'll be in a corner, won't they?
Yeah,
It's from NASA, which are essentially two Skylabs chained together that they'd set spinning.
Yes, it's more expensive, presumably, to do that rotation. Maybe do you need it? Maybe people are used to.
One of the things that we have to consider, the trip to Mars is going to take quite some months. And Tim is going to be up in space for 6 months. Scott Kelly, who's up there with him.
Out at Jodrell, that will see us to another 50, 70 years of future work.
Well, congratulations, and thank you very much for hosting us so elegantly for the last 6 years. Thank you, by the way, to all of our guests today, Chris, Tim, Libby, Carly, Lucy, Brian's mum, who's here as well, who we should pass some of the champagne as exploration. We'll reveal the hidden secrets of one of our best-known constellations. So we'll see you here on BBC2 at 9 tomorrow as we build up to the huge event that is Tim Peake Spacewalk.